Hi, I'm Kep Kepner, CPA here in Dallas. So let's find out if you want to incorporate. What do you do first? Well, the first thing you need to do is understand why you want to do it at all and what kind of entity. It depends on the kind of goal that you have in mind for your business. If you think your business is just going to be the kind of business that means you're your own boss, but you're not going to do a whole lot better than if you had a job, well, you might want one kind of entity. If you envision an entity that's going to grow and have many locations, large number of employees, then you would probably want to organize differently. So that's the first thing you need to understand. Then you need to decide where you're going to incorporate. In most states, you have the ability to incorporate and still do business in all the other states. Some of the things you read from the state of Nevada, which says, oh, no tax, really doesn't help you at all. Because the fact of the matter is, if you're operating in Texas and you're a Nevada corp, you're going to pay tax in Texas. So it doesn't matter that you're a Nevada corp. And oh, by the way, if you're a Delaware corp, why don't you add some fees to your accounting services because there are more tax returns to file. So the reality is you need to decide not only what your goal is, but what kind of entity and where you want to incorporate. Once you decide that, you need to decide who's going to own this corporation. Is it going to be you? Is it going to be you and your wife? Are you going to bring other owners in? Do you have some friends that are going to be part of it? All of these questions affect the formation of this entity. Once you've decided on all that, doing the paperwork at the state is simple. You can do a corp that says, I want to do everything that's legitimate in Texas, and I'm forming the corp on this date. That's basically all that is required. You can do the same thing for an LLC. In every case, you need a registered agent. At our CPA firm, we're often the registered agent for our corporate clients. That way, we get any notices from the state that may affect them. So once you have done that, you need to get your tax IDs. You have both a state tax ID, one or two of those perhaps, and then you have federal IDs. And once you do that, you have various reporting requirements. So somebody needs to understand all these complexities as you form your corp. So it's easy to form a corp if you know all that stuff and if you follow the right sequence. Most smart businessmen do what they do best, and they hire us to help them with their business structure. Give us a call if we can help.